Come talk to me.
Hey, what's up guys? So it's Aaron. We've got another fun one in store for you. Check out these rocks. We've got the aqua blocks built up over here. We're out in White House, Tennessee today. And boy, is it a cold one. It's like 15 degrees this morning. So here's all of our rock material. Come on back, let me show you some. So we are here to help this homeowner. They've just built this house, just moved in, love everything about their new home except the backyard. So we're going to transform this boring backyard into something super cool. So we've got it all painted out, 32-foot Pondless Waterfall. The basin section's painted out down here. Headwaters are going to start up there. So let's get started.
And I love you in your summer skin. Looking at you, looking like you're into it. 'Cause we're here for the same reason. Yeah, I just wanna lay in the sun, getting love drunk, sticking like honey. Yeah, 'cause I'm just here for some fun with that someone, feeling that something, that's something. If you're looking for a good time, honey,